There's a cryotherapy. Cryo means cold, or we can say the extreme cold temperature or the freezing point temperature we can say. Freezing point temperature means minus 100 degrees Celsius to minus 140 degrees Celsius temperature is used. The entire body is merged into this machine for 2 to 5 minutes. As the body is going into this machine, it releases the gases, they are the nitrogenous gases. As this machine is producing the nitrogenous gases, they are the cold gases, it triggers the endorphin release, reducing the soreness and the inflammation. It improving the mood, sleep and the metabolism disorders. It helps in reducing or curing the chronic condition like the arthritis and the metabolism disorders, as well as it also helps in reducing or curing the cancer disorders with the help of extreme cold temperature. As I told you, this cryotherapy reduces inflammation and the pain. With the help of the intense cold, it constricts the blood vessels, reducing the swelling and the muscle tension and pain, making it great for the sports recovery and the chronic conditions. It boosts the mood and mental well-being, triggers the release of the endorphin. They are the natural mood filters or the natural mood lifters, helping the anxiety and depression to reduce, as it helps in releasing the endorphins, so improves the sleep and the relaxation, so promote the relaxation and sleep quality. You have to stand in this machine in the cryo chamber for a few minutes, exposed to ultra cold air. This triggers a natural systemic cold shock response, forcing your body to react to protect itself. This triggers a natural systemic cold shock response, forcing your body to react to protect itself. This reaction leads to therapeutic effects throughout the entire body, not just one part, offering a comprehensive wellness treatment. This cryotherapy is also used for treating the cancer. Where a cancer is located, at that site, the cold probe is inserted in that area and then helps that cell to freeze. With the help of the freezing temperature, that cells are killed, the cancer cells are killed. And this way, the cancer treatment is done with the help of the cryotherapy.